Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel. We'd like to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications button, and if you can, give us a like button. And again, thank you for watching. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Vista. Boy, we're excited to have you today. Maggie and I are going to be doing the chores. We thought we'd take y'all along with us. Maggie's got her Maggie cam on, and so we got first thing. You know what? I forgot the key to the tractor. We got to get it first thing. But y'all, welcome aboard. We're going to do it, like I said, we're going to get some of the chores done this morning. Get that out of the way and kind of take y'all along. Like I say, Maggie's got her Maggie cam on, and hopefully she'll give you a little bit of footage from Maggie's standpoint. Yeah. I tell you what, y'all, guineas are just as mean as chickens. I got one chicken that can't walk, and they all pick on it. I'm gonna have to put it in a thing by itself. No doubt about it. They're following me. They think I'm gonna feed them. They're wrong about that. They need to kill some fleas and bugs and ticks and all that stuff. All right. Okay, y'all, we're back again, Maggie now. Maggie's got the Maggie cam on. And there she goes chasing chickens. Come on, Maggie. All right. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down here. We gotta get these coops moved today. As hopefully I'll get this out today, Wednesday. Well, it's hard for me to keep up the days. Wednesday, I think tomorrow or Friday we're gonna get a lot of rain from that hurricane that's coming in. So Maggie and I, we're gonna go ahead and move the coops around, get them on some fresh grass so they won't be in mud when this rain comes. So I'm gonna take y'all along on that again. We're gonna put you on the tractor here and do our thing. Still recording. Yeah. Straighten it up again. Alright. Yeah, we're ready to go. We're ready to go. I'd rather have forks on here, Maggie. We'll deal with a bucket. Hey, stay. Alright, y'all, I get removed. Now we gotta go up here and turn the water on. And I'm gonna get a tripod so I can show them the tripod. Kind of see a little bit what goes on. Had the old rooster, old graybeard there. He didn't move fast enough. That's what I was doing. He got caught up under the thing. That happens from time to time, so I have to check those after I move them. I don't know. He don't look. I may have to treat their water. He don't look the best. So, all right, y'all. Maggie now gonna get a tripod. All right, y'all. This is the baby turkey food. It's a little higher protein, and this is the regular turkeys. Okay, y'all, it gets the water turned on. Look, within a few days, look at what they've done. Maggie, come here. Maggie, come here. Come here, Maggie. Maggie, come here. Come here, Maggie. the turkey's fed. We're gonna go up here now. We're gonna feed the baby turkeys. And we'll feed these chickens too while we're at it. I put my finger on the toe, I lost the cap to it. You can see they're happy. Let me show you. Geese are happy. Y'all happy? Huh? Okay, good. I'll take it as yes. Y'all got food, so y'all are happy. They've gone where they like I was buying them with high protein geese food, but I may have to go get a bag of it, but they seem to be eating the turkey high protein food, so yeah. And I did buy some more poles. Walmart put them on clearance. Our neighbor down below us, they told us they had bought one for their ducks, and they was clearanced at Walmart, so we bought some more. We bought some more poles. I think I bought 6 of them. Hopefully I won't lose that many this winter. Hopefully not. They squeak when they get that food in there. They'll get in the water now and clear their throats out, maybe. He's hungry, I guess. It is a high protein food, so I know it's good for them. There she goes. She's cleaning her face off there. You getting that on video, ain't it? Yeah. See how they're cleaning their nostrils out. They're fun to watch. I'll be glad to get this fenced in, this pasture, and that'd be nice. Maggie's camera's already slipped down, the Maggie camera. Alright, y'all, we're gonna feed these chickens, get them fed. Let me turn this water off. I think I hear you crowing. I'm gonna have to start getting these to a pen before long. And it looks like I've got quite a few hens in this bunch. There's a rooster. That one's an Americana. Americana rooster. And I tell you, I love the Brahmas, but the only thing is that anybody who's been watching the channel knows I've said this pretty consistently. They are destructive birds. They can tear some stuff up. That was supposed to be hanging, and somehow I know they tore the screw out, and now it's on the ground. Oh well. It's just like these Brahmas down here. They're pretty destructive. I think I finally got their water to where it's not a problem, finally. So stay down here and look at the Brahmas. Let y'all watch them and Maggie for a second. As far as food consumption, the Brahmas are not terribly bad as far as food. You're looking at about 2 scoops of food, which is that's probably about $1.60 at least, $1.70 right there, and that will last us. Right now, I am getting 0 eggs out of it. As of yesterday, they haven't laid in. They haven't laid. Maggie, honey. They hadn't laid in about a week now. That's about $10 almost worth of food, or that is $10 worth of food, and no eggs. So that gets expensive. All right. So we fed the turkeys, we fed the geese. Put the water in there. Americanas have got food. Let me fix this. Now Maggie and I are gonna probably be I'm gonna feed them up tomorrow before that rain gets here, before that storm gets here, and we'll be good to go. Now these chickens up here, Maggie, now let me get y'all closer. All these bad hens, I call them, and that mean rooster, they're gonna be going with my free ranging. I'm gonna put them up there. Yeah, these are gonna go with the free range chickens. I'm thinking about the chocolate Morans. Putting them up there free ranging, and then the Americanas. Graybeard and the lavenders, I would put them free ranging. These, problem is Maggie, because yeah, so he looks all right. He looks like he's doing pretty good. He'll be back to his mean self maybe, but I'm probably gonna put some stuff in their water, some vinegar, or maybe even some that medicine I've got, CO something. I'll try to remember to show it in the video. I may have put some of that in their water. Yeah, he looks good. That's the reason you got to, when you move these things like I do, I have to make sure I check that one of them hadn't got up under it. That's the first time he's ever got caught up under it. I don't know what he still ain't feeling good. He'd pop that cage. Yeah, he's still not feeling real good, or he'd get after Maggie. He wouldn't put up with that. They're pretty chickens. Hard to rate. I I think because of see the bushy tail feathers on that hen, I think that's a problem with getting fertile eggs. A lady told me you can cut them back. And Angie does like these. We've had him, he's getting a couple years old, and this old hen right there, that hen is probably, I just lost the other one about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Maggie, we're doing a video. You mind? Please? Thank you, Maggie. Good girl. That hen right there is probably getting, Maggie, what'd I tell you? We're doing a video. Hey, yeah, don't be talking back. That hen's probably getting 2 or 3 years old. Maggie, come on. Here's the turkeys. I think they're about to get to the age, you know, even at this age with turkeys, they're still a little bit hard to tell. You could still miss one. You could tell probably, you could probably sex them to probably 80%, 90% accuracy, but you can still have a tom sneak in there. They did well. We did pretty good with the turkeys. I think I'm gonna keep 4 or 5 hens, and out of all these, and I've got to get their coops built. That's another project, building turkey coops. Make sure I got 2 scoops in this barrel. I have ended up with an extra scoop. Yep, got 2 there. These 5 turkeys will eat about 1 scoop, not even really a scoop of food. Well, they did yesterday. They put a scoop away yesterday. All right, y'all, let's see. He's pretty, ain't he? He is pretty. Maggie, get out here. Maggie, don't need it. And Maggie's camera just quit. Sorry about that commotion. Chickens decided to go here and eat quail food. What's the problem with feeding your chickens? They get lazy. They get real lazy. very lazy. I want to show y'all something I did. So far, let's see up here. So far, it's working good. I got me some springs at Lowe's. I don't know why I didn't do that years ago. I did. See, they shut now. Should have done that a long time ago, y'all. I'll leave y'all with the quail. Go and watch the quail do their thing. They're pretty peaceful to watch. What's up, Maggie? But yeah, y'all can see, I just took that spring, real simple spring, and that makes sure these doors shut like they're supposed to, and they won't open up. This one's not as tight, but it works. I'll put you over here with the Pharaohs. This feeder's getting where it don't work right. I'll put the latch on her. That one is missing. I don't know how a bolt plug got in here, Maggie. You know? I got a couple eggs in here. Here. Whew. Chickens will eat that. I'm going to fill all the water jugs up, Maggie. Fill their water bowl. Actually, the dog water bowl up. Hey everybody, we hope you enjoyed this video this morning. Maggie and I, that's just a typical thing on the morning chores, getting everything done. Wanted, like I said, move those coops around because we got a pretty good major rain moving in, and get that done. So Maggie and I got that completed up, and then get them probably tomorrow, get them fed up real good, get a lot of food on them and in their things, so I don't have to, if it's raining Thursday morning or Friday morning when I go to work. I think I'm just a day behind. But anyway, Friday morning when I go to work, man, I won't have to be out here in the rain as much before I head to work. So that'll be the goal tomorrow to get that done. Again, we really appreciate each and every one of you watching the videos. We appreciate that. If you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification button so you'll see our latest videos. I am trying to get 3 videos out a week. Either chores, update what's going on, and projects. Our next project is probably going to be fixing all these eaves around the house and getting the outside of the house, while it's cool weather and it's nice, just getting the outside of the house looking really good again. Restoring it back to where it was at. But again, thank you for watching the video, and hope y'all come back and join us again.